Won't tell you this cheap way to get rid of the head lice almost instantly. Head lice are tiny insects that live on the skin covering the scalp, but they can be also found in eyebrows and eyelashes. Head lice infect hair on the head. Tiny eggs on the hair look like flakes of dandruff. However, instead of flaking off the scalp, they stay in place. Head lice cause intense itching, but they do not lead to serious medical problems and they never spread any disease. Lice are contagious and therefore, it is necessary to treat them quickly once they're found because they can spread easily from person to person. Both children and adults can suffer from lice, although infants are more prone to this issue. Most of the solutions, such as lice shampoos, found on the market are very expensive. Moreover, they have proven to be ineffective and offer only a temporary solution. Luckily, there is a homemade solution that will destroy lice permanently. Ingredients: lice comb, white vinegar, Listerine mouthwash. If you want, you can use another brand. Few towels, shower cap or plastic bags. Directions: with the mouthwash, wash your head. The hair should be completely wet. Using a plastic bag, wrap the hair or cover it with a bathing cap. Leave it for 60 minutes. Remove the bathing cap plastic bag. Next, wash your hair with the vinegar and cover it again with a cap bag for additional 60 minutes. Finally, remove the cap bag and with a normal shampoo wash your hair. Take a lice comb and comb the hair. The vinegar will eliminate the lice eggs from the hair. Listerine's strong smell will keep lice them away because they cannot stand the smell of spearmint. The advantages of this treatment: it is healthy and with no side effects. It gives long-term results. It is cheap. It will completely protect you. Your hair will be smooth, shiny and it will smell nice.